Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Colorado. Great hauling capability, powerful, rugged, and a great Chevy price. Colorado is it, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, aluminum wheels, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, four-wheel disc brakes, tires front all season, tires rear all season, driver illuminated vanity mirror. Come take a test drive today.